Pi is 3.14159265, but you came here for Pocket Ronnie, so please stay tuned.
Okay, for this lesson it's important that you know what all the different kinds of equations are and what they look like on the graph. You should be able to see an equation and then recognize what it is on a graph. So the very first thing is we have a line. So it looks like this, y equals 2x plus 3. That's an equation for a line. If you put this in standard form, where x and y are on the same side, it looks like this. Negative 2x plus y equals 3. So in a line, neither the x nor the y has an exponent on it. And over here, the x's and y's are added or subtracted together. So recognize that. For a circle, this is the simplest form of a circle, x squared plus y squared equals 16, or you have it in parentheses to where the center, these numbers tell you the center of the circle. So the main thing about a circle is both the x and the y square, or both x and y have a square. So here x has a squared exponent. And then the main thing about a circle, there is an addition sign in between your x squared and y squared term. In the ellipse, in a circle, your coefficients are the same. 1, 1. Here the coefficient out here is a 1 and a 1. The coefficients are the same in a circle. For an ellipse, your coefficients are different. Your x and y are still squared, but your coefficients are different, and there is still a plus sign in between the x squared and y squared term. It could take on this form as well. The x still has a squared exponent, the y still has a squared exponent, your coefficients are different, and there's a plus sign in between. For a parabola, this is an up and down parabola, one will be squared and one is not. So here, for an up-down parabola, x is squared, y is not. This is a simple form of a parabola, or you could have a middle term. You could have y equals 3x squared minus 2x plus 1. You could have this for a parabola. For a left-right parabola, y is squared, x is not. But the main thing is on a parabola, one of them is squared and one is not. A left-right parabola could also take this form as well. Hyperbola, there's three different forms. Neither x or y is squared, but the difference between this and a line is your x and y are multiplied together. In a line, your x and y's are added or subtracted together. In a hyperbola, x and y are multiplied together. Your hyperbola could take on this form where you have an x squared and a y squared term. The difference between this and a circle is there is a subtraction sign in between. In an ellipse and circle, there is an addition sign in between x squared and y squared, but in a hyperbola, it's a subtraction sign. So hyperbola could take the form to where your x squared is first, or it could take the form to where your y squared is first. The main thing is there is a subtraction sign with hyperbolas.